क्या मेरी माँ का सामना कर पाओगे? मेरा दिल ये बता रहा है, वो खड़ी होगी घर के चौखट पे, उसे पता होगा कि उसका बेटा आ रहा है। घर की दहलीज में पहुंचते ही मुझे कंधे से उतार दे और मेरी माँ के निकट जाके पोंछना उनके आंसू और सीने से लिपट जाना। कहना जाते जाते उसके बेटे ने कई दिलों में इनकलाब की भावनाओं का बीज बोया। खुश हो जा माँ, आज तेरा बेटा पहली बार वक्त पे सो रहा। माँ को रोता सुन पिताजी भी बाहर आएंगे। देखकर अपने बेटे को ऐसा, वो भी बिखर जाएंगे। तब जाकर कहना उनसे कि मैंने ये इसलिए किया ताकि हमेशा ऊंचा मेरे देश का मान रहे। छीन लिया उनके बुढ़ापे का सहारा ताकि देश में जवान रहे। मेरे छोटे भाई से कहना कि माँ को संभाल ले वो, पर ये बात भी जहन में डाल दे वो कि एक माँ यहाँ आंसू बहा रही है तो दूसरी माँ उसे सरहद पे बुला रही है। उसे एक माँ के दूध का कर्ज भी चुकाना है और दूसरे माँ के लिए फर्ज भी। मेरी
Let's have a huge round of applause for this wonderful performance. कुछ परिंदे उड़ रहे हैं आंधियों के सामने, कुछ परिंदे उड़ रहे हैं आंधियों के सामने, उनमें ताकत नहीं तो हौसला होगा जरूर। इसी तरह आगे बढ़ते रहे तो देखना, तय समंदर एक दिन फासला होगा जरूर. Now Sugam is going to present a beautiful song.
Sugandhi, please unmute yourself.
हाय वे मेरे डाटिया रब्बा कि ना जम्मिया कि नाने ले जानिया है मधानिया हाय वे मेरे डाटिया रब्बा कि ना जम्मिया कि नाने ले जानिया है.
You can place your mobile properly.
छोले
Place in a vertical position. Yeah, now good, very nice.
बाबुल तेरे महला विचों सतरंगिया कबूतर बोले है. बाबुल तेरे महला विचों सतरंगिया कबूतर बोले है. लोई बाबुल तेरिया महला विचों तेरी लाडो परदेसण होई है. बाबुल तेरिया महला विचों तेरी लाडो परदेसण होई है. कीता मेरे अपने वीरा ने टोला तोड़ के अगानू कीता है. तुर के अगानू कीता है मधानिया हाय वे मेरे डाडिया रब्बा किना जम्मिया किना ने ले जानिया है मधानिया थैंक यू
India will teach us the tolerance and gentleness of a mature mind, understanding spirit, and the unifying, pacifying love for all human beings. Good evening, Honorable Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, respected parents, and all my wonderful fellow mates. I am Prableen of Class 9 Smith, and today I'm going to share my views on the topic A Incredible India. The sun filtered in through the windows. In a distance, early morning prayer could be heard from the surrounding temples and mosques. In a few minutes, the city will be fully awake. Sunshine pounding down on everything it touches, clearing the morning haze. I can hear the honks of vehicles rushing to get wherever needed. India is a country bustling with life. Every road and street, nook and cranny, you see, there is an essence that can't be missed. There is so much diversity throughout India, each state with its own unique tradition and culture, custom that gives this lively country a soul. I can sense the diversity around me in many ways. In the Himalayas, I see beautiful snow capped mountains. In the Hyderabad, I hear the glass bangles that are being sold by the Charminar. No matter where you are from, there are some experiences that everyone must experience in their lifetime, like taking part in Festival of Colors Holi, where you get doused in powder or liquid dyes, or visiting many forts or temples scattered around the subcontinent. You can even go and see Bengal tiger among the other wildlife sanctuaries in one of the 515 wildlife sanctuaries and national parks located only in India, from the mountain to the beaches and everything in between. There is so much to explore, find, and see. It is easy to get lost in the excitement of the people, whether you are local or there to visit. You will find yourself in the only country with so much diversity and culture. Only country with the great name India. Thank you, everyone.
गगू जब इधर वाले कोठे चो ना शनि वाले छोटे छोटे कपड़े डाल रहे ले बीमार
Please mute yourself.
We all know that our country has got diverse culture, many religions, and a lot more. But one of the most inseparable parts of India are its defense forces. The brave soldiers of India have always contributed towards its peace and growth significantly since the time of independence and even today. So I feel that those soldiers of our defense forces are one of the major reasons to make India incredible. Dedicated to all those soldiers, I now would like to present a medley. Hope you like it.
क्या बात है, मजा आ गया।
Devlin, continue.
I would like to call Debjot for a solo song. जिंदगी दी है तो जीने का हुना, पाँव
1 minute, beta.
देना,
Devlin,
गुफ्तगू
hold on.
नहीं है।
Play your video. I can't see you. You're speaking so well. You play your video. Sonia, I want to make a request that in the end, if somebody could take the screenshot of everyone present here on the screen.
Sure,
Right?
ma'am.
Anybody, maybe Harshit or whosoever is good at IT, right?
Sure, ma'am.
Take the entire, somebody who's got a laptop or is working a desktop can take the screenshot and then you share with me. Everyone should play video in the end, right?
Sure.
Yeah, so everybody should be visible,
Yes.
not in between, please.
जिंदगी दी तो जीने का हुनर भी देना, पाँव बख्शे हैं तो तोहफे में सफर भी देना, गुफ्तगू तूने सिखाई है, मैं तो गूंगा था, अब बोलूंगा तो बातों में असर भी देना। आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी हमारी अगली प्रतिभागी खुशकिरण को।
Better you play video. You speak so extremely well. So proud of you.
मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज और सम्राट अशोक जैसा राजा था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ हर 50 मील पर रूप, पहनावा, मजहब बदल जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया को पाया जाता था। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जिसे अपने भूगोल के पहले इस ब्रह्मांड का भूगोल समझ आता था।
चले नील गगन को, चलो चले नील गगन को, उड़ कर चल कर श्वेत पवन को, उड़ कर चल कर श्वेत पवन को, कह दे साधु कह दे कबीरा।
अपनी कद्रदानी को इस तरह न छिपाइए, अगर प्रस्तुति पसंद आई तो तालियां तो बजाइए।
Could you repeat, Devlin? Just repeat it. It's so beautiful.
अपनी कद्रदानी को इस तरह न छिपाइए, अगर प्रस्तुति पसंद आई तो तालियां तो बजाइए।
Beautiful.
Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your values become your destiny. Honorable Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, revered parents, and all my dear companions, good evening. Today, I, Arshdeep of class 10th Ramanujan, is going to share my views on values. Values are the positive teachings provided to help us and tread the right path in life. Every parent wants his child to imbibe these. These can even be referred to as good qualities. A person who imbibes good values grows on to become a responsible individual, and he is capable of demarcating right and wrong. Also, he is able to make wiser decisions in life. For an individual, values are most important An individual with good values is loved by everyone around as he is compassionate about others and also he behaves ethically. A person is able to judge what is right and what is wrong based on the values he imbibes. In life, at various steps, it makes the decision making process easier. A person with good values is always likely to make better decisions than others. Values are always based on various things. While the basic values remains the same across cultures and are intact since centuries, some values may vary. Values may be specific to a society or age. In the past, it was considered that women with good moral values must stay at home and not voice their opinion on anything. But however, this has changed over time. Our culture and society determine the values to a large extent. We imbibe values during our childhood years and they remain with us throughout our life. Family always plays the most important role in rendering values to us. Decisions in life are largely based on the values we possess. Values are permanent and seldom change. A person is always known by the values he possesses. The values of a person always reflect on his attitude and overall personality. In order to help him grow into a responsible and wise human being, it is important for people to realize that values must be given topmost priority in a child's life because children are the future of the society. There can be nothing better in a society where a majority of people have good values and they follow the ethical norms. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Arshdeep, for your valuable words. वो खुद ही नाप लेते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की, वो खुद ही नाप लेते हैं बुलंदी आसमानों की, परिंदों को नहीं तालीम दी जाती उड़ानों की, परिंदों को नहीं तालीम दी जाती उड़ानों की। कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए मैं आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगी रिधम को।
Lovely audience, it is said that dancing is like breathing. It is a hidden language of the soul of the body. So, our lovely audience, hold on for the next performance. I would like to call energetic and sweet rhythm Connie of Class 8 for a sparkling performance.
Devleen, we want to hear you.
ma'am. मंजिल मिल जाती है एक दिन, कोई मुकद्दर के खेल नहीं होते, अगर कोशिश ही ना करे इंसान तो कामयाबी से मेल नहीं होती. I would like to I request our honorable principal ma'am to share her valuable words. Rest of the performances will be after ma'am's speech. Ma'am, please unmute yourself. You are not audible.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of my students, teachers, and the management, I extend a very warm welcome to all the parents out there who've taken out their valuable time out of the valuable hectic schedule to join us in this virtual annual function. Recently, Indian Express, as a part of the four-month investigation, conducted a research. I'm going to share with all the parents, because then you would understand how BIPS is different and how BIPS is the best school, to me, of the universe. When Shrey Sudman 22, the 2014 ICSE topper, went abroad for his undergraduate education in chemical engineering at Cochrane School of Engineering, University of Texas, he realized his school had not equipped him with some key skills. He said he was much more suited to textbooks and exam-related problems than out-of-the-box thinking. He said when he had to do his first-year engineering project with a team, he failed to clearly communicate his ideas for the project. Report and essay writing were much harder for him than his American classmates, who are trained to organize information, present it in a clear manner. Year after year, their high school graduation, like Sudman, most of the 86 national ICSE board toppers were tracked down by the Indian Express that their marks and ranks may have given them a head start. Looking back, they now see crucial gaps in the curriculum, in the way they were taught in the schools. All of them said their school did not prepare them for what lay ahead. Whereas I'm so glad and happy to share with the August gathering with worthy parents that at BIPS, right from class nursery, we ensure each child communicates his thoughts fearlessly, expresses himself smartly, they're able to recite, they have rich vocabulary, they're able to debate, they indulge in group discussions, singing, dancing, and acting, and of course, not to forget IT skills. So we ensure our children are all-rounders and not mere parrots. The focus, the fine balance we've always maintained between academics and co-curricular activities has kept our students in the front line. Be it any competition, they've been winners of many championships. BIPS was the pioneer school to start with Model United Nations Assembly in Patiala, which is simulation of United Nations. Generally, other schools introduce MUN when children reach class 9, 10, whereas BIPS starts right from class 5th. The purpose is to keep our children updated. To give our children the best,